In November 2024, Blue Yonder, a prominent supply chain management software provider, was targeted by a ransomware attack attributed to the Termite Group. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The incident caused widespread operational disruptions for clients, including Starbucks, Sainsbury's, and Morrisons. The attack occurred on November 21st, with Blue Yonder confirming it as a ransomware incident soon after. The Termite Group, believed to be a rebranding of the Babuk ransomware group, claimed responsibility, stating they had exfiltrated 680 GB of sensitive data. This data included confidential documents, insurance records, and email lists. Termite threatened to release the data if their ransom demands were not met. The attack significantly impacted Blue Yonder's managed services environment. Many customers were forced to revert to manual processes to maintain operations. Blue Yonder engaged external cybersecurity firms to investigate and restore services. By early December, the company reported that a majority of affected customers had their services back online, though the investigation into data theft claims remained ongoing. On December 9th, the incident was publicly acknowledged when Termite listed Blue Yonder as one of its victims on its dark web leak site. They also announced plans to release the stolen data. This attack highlights the vulnerabilities in supply chain management systems and underscores the growing threat posed by ransomware groups targeting critical infrastructure. Blue Yonder continues to investigate the breach and work with affected customers to mitigate the impact. And now, a word from our sponsor. Veeam license renewal can qualify you for Protect Plus plan with patented air-gapped and immutability best practices. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news updates.